Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
No, go!
Watch out, Bill!
How we do it?
How much you put up on here?
I don't even know, man. I think like 1,500, was it? A little more?
Yeah. Been waiting for this day, man.
Just came from Saudi right here. You wait 2 years for this.
Been 15 years.
15 years to be home.
Welcome to 39th block party. We're all out here today. We about to make it lit today. Hey, you guys ready?
Tell them the tradition.
This is our annual tradition. Look at these kids. Look.
Smoke now, me.
Yo, this is the 39th fireworks battle party right here. We represent out here Jami Muslimin. We put on a pretty big show, but we got some pretty good opponents. To the left over here, we got the Samoans.
I'll show them.
They come out pretty hard. They don't like to their light stuff right now. It's all just little kid stuff. But when it hits about 11 o'clock, they're letting some stuff go loose. Over here, we got the Asians, kind of mixed gangster, wanna G's and things like this. They got some pretty good stuff, but they're impatient. They always want to light the good stuff first, and at the end of the night, it's how you finish, not how you start. So we're gonna start it right now.
We're about to light the boom. We're about to give him a boom out here. Legion of Boom, celebrating.
Gotta represent
7 shots.
right now.
Wait, let me see.
Outer weight, 500 grams.
Chopper, CRC,
20 seconds. This is 20 seconds right here.
39.
Legion of Boom.
All right, let's see what it's about.
These are Excaliburs. You probably can't hear me because you're making too much noise, you know, but
How many we lighting?
about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 even numbers, you know.
Well, what's happening here? What's all this stuff on the ground?
Right now,
all these artillery
we're
shells.
lining up all the artillery shells, and what we ask for is extra fuse, 20 feet long. In our plan.
The hitter?
What's the
Yeah,
20 feet
fucking
extra
right.
fuse for?
And the 20 feet is so we don't have to have 20 people. Now we're learning how to optimize our time. And we have a 20 feet fuse. So what's gonna happen is that we're lining up about approximately 15 artillery shells, and then we're gonna tie the fuse along so that each one of them will burn with just one fuse.
Initiate round 1. We're gonna see if they respond. 7 on each side. Let's go.
Oh, that thing's taking forever. The final countdown. Oh, one side going, but we're gonna check out this side. We're not gonna record the other side. Let's go.
All right, here he goes.
Oh, that's one. Too far apart. That's two. We all light it together, it's better. So was round one a success? It's taking a little long here. We might have to think of a different strategy.
Yeah, we got a different strategy out here. It's lighting too slow, so we're probably gonna go back to old school and go 7 guys, 7 Excaliburs, and we're gonna light them up probably. Hey, get closer, right here. Hold on, right here.
They're arguing right now because ain't nobody listening. Everybody's just trying to burn, and you got Fiend over there counting 5, 4, 3. That guy right there. I'm about to be in the middle. I'm allowed, blah, 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 like that.
So from the outside would be nice. Right here, guys.
All right, before we go to the outside, look at how many they got. We
got more shots.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is round 2. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hey, let them know. Round 2, bro. Tell them round 2.
About to light a Santa Missile.
To collab, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what you want me to do?
And you got the single man. He got the.
Hey, watch out, there's Tyler. Oh, damn.
Was it a success? Hey, was round 2 a success?
Yeah, for sure success. That was way better than the first time. Now we forget the fuse. That's not optimizing. Forget what I said earlier.
Round 3. This is round 3, y'all. This is round 3. Round 3, is this round 3? This is round 3, guys. Round 3. This is round 3. We'll catch you guys on the outside. Hello, turn that on. Turn it on. What round was that? What round was that? What round was that? Oh, damn. That was our best round yet, huh? How was that the best round yet?
We just getting started. We getting started.
That was the best round. That was our round 4.
That's next level.
Oh, snap. What the heck?
It's ready. What's up, man? Next level.
They gotta tell someone.
Hey, that one blew
We
up.
made it, guys. Over here. Hello.
That one blew up.
What round was that? Was that our best one?
Yeah, that was the best one actually, man. Work synchronously. I know, that was crazy.
What round was that?
Was that upside down?
Upside down, man.
What round was that?
That was round 2. I accidentally put one upside down. I didn't realize that.
Is that the one that blew up behind Hello? And
Yeah. So that was my apologies. You can't see anything, so gotta make sure safety is important. So I take responsibility and accountability for that action.
Hey, we got the younger homies on the block too. Look at that.
YouTube channel? You got a YouTube channel?
Nah. Just for fun, so all the homies can watch later. Wait. What is that, bro?
I don't know. He told her it's a
So we'll see. See how Bang.
Let us clear the ground real quick. Let us clear the ground. We don't know. We don't tell them we don't know if this is the real deal. They might be lying. So
You know they try to salesman. You know how it is. Salesman try to sell this.
Okay.
Warn the kids though.
All right. Let's see if it's real. Now let's see. Let's see if it's loud or not. Real or fake?
Got the red fuse slow.
Real or fake?
I don't know. We see.
Oh! It's real. Is it real?
It's real, man. It's real. I can't hear you, huh?
It's real, bro. That was real. Yeah.
Shooting at fireworks.
This one right here.
Tradition every year?
Yeah. But we got more cakes in
How
the
much do you
car.
guys like it? How much do you guys like it?
1 to 10, 10.
Every 4th of July?
Last year, it was a 5. No, last year was a
Final round.
The battle started. Look. That's the other neighbor right there. Ooh, they're going. Damn, they got heat. Hamid, come tell them who that is, Meat, come tell them who that is. That's the other neighbor right there.
That's 39th, but that's upper neighborhood. We're middle. You know what I mean? We got the basketball court. But yeah, they got the gang up there.
Oh, no, we just the neighbors.
Bro, where you guys from?
Over here, we from the same block. That's why we came over here. We wanted to tell a little story about how we was born. How you guys are here. Two big ones. Oh, they brought out the big boys. Oh, they brought out the big boys. You can see that one. They brought out the heat. My remix, and you brought out the heat. Damn. Hello. They brought heat. Check out that big one right there. Just lit it up. Bro, this show went for like 10 minutes already, bro. And we thought there was light work for a second. Oh, shit. Bro, it's been like 10 minutes already. Bro, tell him, bro. Tell him. Hey, we came over here and we were asking them. I don't know what happened, bro. They were listening. Our people watching because there's so much heat over there, bro. Let's go see them.
Yeah, this is heat, bro. This is heat.
You think the light can reach them? Right there, fool. Right there. We went over there, they thought we were some YouTubers. They brought out some heat. They brought some heat. Ask this guy, bro. They brought some heat, huh, Ella?
Yeah,
they brought
off kind of slow, you know? I didn't know it was the appetizer.
This guy was like, man, I was about to tell you about to leave, but bro, there was some heat, bro. Over there, they popped the truck, started bringing hella firecrackers out. Light it up, light it up. Like 20 cakes, fool.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, we seen that. We thought that was a 1K hitter. I was like, dang, they got some heat.
Going down every year. This is our spot right here, 39th block.
We be
repping right here. You know?
What's our spot? What's our spot though? Tell them the area. What is it?
This is the tennis court right here. This is our spot right here.
Read it.
There is no instructions, bro.
Don't waste the king of kings, bro.
Nah, I think it's just like this. This is like where it says fuse. I don't know about no reverse fuse, dog.
In case it doesn't light, that's what it's saying.
Side to audience.
Yeah, right there. That's
Where's our audience out there?
And then like the Santa Rosa too.
When you guys can...
Santa Rosa all first, so it's gonna last long.
Yeah.
But how we gonna do the cakes? I mean the shells. What is that?
Shells first. How about the bangers?
Is it 300
So we
shots?
go bangers first?
Banger first, shells.
Bangers or Santa
Bangers.
Santa Rosa go first, because it's gonna last how long?
What's the
It's gonna
game
last
plan?
the whole
Because
thing,
their
right?
game plan was filthy.
I want to hear the shells by itself, like this.
Filthy. They had a whole orchestra. One lady, bro. She's like, go that way, go that way, go that way. Bro. She was in the middle, just wham. Bro,
Y'all didn't come to class.
Hey, when y'all see the video,
Y'all didn't come to class.
when y'all see the video though, then you guys be like, oh,
That nice shot by itself though. We should do this is the nice shot right now. That shit pretty loud.
Yeah, do the night shot.
Can I do it?
So they just let out their best stuff. Now it's time for us to do our finale right here.
It's almost time to pray, guys.
You let them know, man. Seattle City ain't got nothing on this. Seattle City ain't got nothing on 39th Street.
Hey, we got reckless Saudi guys out here. We got reckless Saudi guys out here. That's why, man.
all right, we about to do finale right here. It's our turn. I don't know if we can outdo him, but we can try right here.
Let's go!
For all of them.
Yeah, we're good community members, huh?
Hey, where's you at, man?
Hey,
City, all these people talking like we should clean up, ain't even here. I'm not talking about you specifically. I'm talking about other people.
Hey, someone recording like, Yus, where you at? Hey, hello. Hey, Yus, where you at, man? What the heck? After Juma, come help, please. Hey, that's the mastermind. Hey, where the mastermind at?